This is not like a warm brown or a reddish brown.
Rate me on a scale from 1 to 10. I don't think this is my concealer shade because it looks a little bit ashy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christian. Let's get straight into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do my eyebrows for the first time. I honestly would consider this the first time that I'm honestly attempting to do my eyebrows, because in the past, I just copy what I think is the right thing to do. And I don't really do makeup. So I would consider this my first honest attempt at doing my eyebrows. Yeah, so I looked up natural eyebrow tutorial using pencil and I found this video. It might be popping up on the screen soon. I went to the beauty supply store and I got 3 colors. If this does not work out, and I don't like the way this turns out, these are gonna be my lip pencils. Honestly, I have so many lip pencils and the best ones were $1. So if this doesn't work out, these are just gonna be lip pencils. So I got the color Espresso from Eben. I didn't even know Eben made brow pencils. I got the color Chocolate from Eben, and then I got this color Rich Chocolate Brown from Go Brow. So I like these because they come with sharpeners, so that's great. And then from the first time I tried to do this video, I have this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I don't know if this is my color, but we are just going to roll with it. If I can find the brush. Yeah, so I have this brush. This is my makeup collection. This is how you know I don't even do makeup. This is literally all I have. It's all one mascara, lip gloss, and yeah, we're gonna put that down. So I'm gonna follow this tutorial to the best of my ability, and we are going to see how this goes. I probably need a spoolie. Okay, there's spoolies on this. So which color should I choose though? Chocolate? Probably not. Espresso? Chocolate? I probably should not use chocolate. I'm gonna go with espresso because it looks, and if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna use black from NYX. Okay, so I'm gonna push play on this and we're gonna see what happens.
Hi guys, so today I am doing a new brow tutorial for you guys, a lighter, more kind of natural looking one, and you're going to be needing a spoolie, a concealer brush, your foundation shade, your concealer of your choice, and a brow pencil. Today I'm using Ethnicity in the shade Americano, and some brow gel. So this is how my brows look before I fill them in, and this is the after.
And you know what? I picked her video because she had like the most natural looking eyebrows on her thumbnail, so I really like that.
I've been doing this lately and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. Alright you guys, to start off, I'm going to use my new brow pencil that I got in a swag bag at Gen Beauty, and I'm just going to outline the bottom part of my brow, which I freshly did. If you guys want to see how I clean up my brows, I'll put the link down below. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush down the brow hairs.
Okay, so the first thing she does, I don't know if this is really my color. I really think I might have to get the black. But the first thing she did was like, do this. Oh, I'm scared. It's so sharp. And I don't have my little mini mirror. All right, gonna have to get the big mirror because I can't see. So she wants me to, gotta face the light. She wants me to do this. I think this color might be too light. Yeah, I think I might have to use black. Or maybe I'll mix them. Because this looks a little bit too light for me. But then again, my hair is red. So the light, we'll see. We'll try. My hair is kind of red, so we might be able to handle that. Okay, so she said she did that, then she brushes the eyebrows to the bottom and then does the top.
Using my spoolie brush, and then I'm gonna line the top part of my brow. This is a taupe colored brow pencil.
Okay. So then you line the top.
This is not like a warm brown or a reddish brown. This is a taupe colored brow pencil, which I recently started using, but I started doing my brows a little lighter. Anytime I go to events, I'm always in a rush, so I don't really have the time to do them as dark as I would like, and I started liking how they look lighter. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fill in the center part of my brow.
Okay, fill in the center. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, okay. Fill in the center. That might have been a little bit harsh. And then somebody wants to mow the lawn. Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Just gonna lightly fill out the tail end part, and any part that just looks a little too thin for me, I'm not just going for a dark look, I'm just lightly filling it in. Then I'm gonna go in with my spoolie brush and just blend this all out. Alright you guys, now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm using my Eyebrow Pro HD concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just gonna clean up under my brow. This part is optional. If you like how your brow looks like this, that is fine. It's
what y'all think? What y'all think? I like it.
Okay?
I like it so far.
I personally like a little bit of concealer. Sometimes I go heavy, sometimes I go light. It depends on what I'm doing and my mood. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with the concealer brush, and this brush is from Royal and Lanico. I also have a coupon code that you guys can use to get a really good discount off of their brushes, so check down below, okay you guys?
Okay, so the next thing is clean up the underneath. Okay, this like kind of makes or breaks the look, so it's really good that I don't mess this up. See, I feel like I already messed up. I'm kind of scared, but I don't even know if this is my color. I don't know about this. Okay. Oh, I went too high. I went too high. I went way too high. I went too high. I went too high.
Alright, so once I blend it out, I'm going to use my finger to kind of soften up the line in the front part of my brow, and I'm just going to clean up the tail end part of my brow. Now using my foundation shade, and this is the Cover FX Natural Finish Foundation in the shade G90. I'm just going to apply some of that foundation on the top part of my brow to clean it up, to give it a more defined, crisp look. And then I'm gonna go in. What was that word? Dum dum. Then I'm gonna go in with my finger and blend out that foundation and kind of blend it in with my skin. The oils in your fingers will help make this process go much smoother. Now I'm gonna use this $1 Billion brow gel, and I'm just gonna brush out my brow hairs and set them in place. So this is also gonna help set the colors and keep the brows from moving around, the brow hairs from moving around. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little updated brow tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll see you all very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Okay, let's stop the recording. Yeah, so this is the okay. So this is the finished look. This is the left. I don't think this is my foundation. I don't think this is my concealer shade because it looks a little bit ashy. But the challenge, I don't think I did that good of a job on this, but I'm just gonna do the right side and just hope I can make it even as possible. But that's okay. I'm about to literally wash my face. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna try my best. Wanted you to say, I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. Eyebrow pencils from CVS the other day. It's this one. Hold on. This one is, the company is CoverGirl. The company is CoverGirl, and I got 2 for $6, and this is trash. I honestly should just throw it away. Like, it's terrible, and it was $6 for 2. This was $1 for 1. Don't get scammed. CVS really got me. CVS got me. I am pretty satisfied. I think the concealer is not my shade, but that's what happens when you go into the beauty supply store and you don't know what your shade is, and then you're looking on YouTube to try to figure out what your shade is in the moment. You just pick something, because I was tired of being in there. So I think my concealer might be a little bit ashy. I don't really know my shade, but I'm satisfied because I like things that look super natural. If you saw me, would you be able to tell that? Yeah, you would, because the lines are really crazy. But I feel like from far away, it looks very natural. It's not too much for me. I feel like I'm still in my body. I feel like this is still my face. And I think it doesn't clash with my hair too much. I think this was a good choice. This Eben New York deep espresso. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was comical for you. I hope that it brightened up your day. Can she talk? I really hope it brightened up your day. So let me know if you have any video requests, because I want to make content for you guys that you like. So make sure you let me know how I did. Rate me on a scale from 1 to 10. I'll give myself a 7. I'll give myself a 7. So yeah, let me know what you would rate me, and I'll see you guys in the next